Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to share your WhatsApp status with close friends. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! The WhatsApp Close Friends status feature is currently one of the most searched WhatsApp updates on Google. As seen in recent report, WhatsApp is working on a new privacy-focused feature that will allow users to share status updates only with selected contacts, similar to Instagram's Close Friends option. So, how to use this feature? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can set up your close friends on settings, so you can tap on the upper right corner, three dots over here, select on settings. From settings you can go to privacy. For privacy you can go to status, and you'll find there is an option close friend. You can just select on that. So in here you can now share with custom audience, create status audience with custom names and emoji. Your audience will see the name and emoji when they view your status, and they want to see who else in your audience. You can select on continue, and you can just choose on the contacts that you want to add to your close friends. Like this one and also this one. Checklist. So now you have 5 people on your WhatsApp close friends. And if you want to share status on your WhatsApp, you can just open your WhatsApp. You can go to update. You can update any status like this, for the example. You can take a picture and you can set to share it with your close friends, and you can just share it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to share status with close friends on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!